Amazing. I be Mrs. Amazing, whoever you are. What is your name and where are you from? And what do you think about the topic?
My name is Bobby. I'm from Abia State.
Your name is what? Chimobi.
Chimobi.
Please, can you please
Okay.
speak up? We're struggling to hear you. Can you please speak up?
Okay, Mr. Chimobi from Abia State, welcome. Ndigbo, do you think we need Biafra? What are your thoughts on why we need Biafra? Let's hear you.
All right, I think he has some network issue as well.
I don't have network.
We can't hear you though. We can't hear you. It seems like you're talking from a mile away.
No, but Chioma can hear me. I think it might be from your angle.
We can hear you now. Go ahead. We could not hear you before.
Yeah. So I think Ndigbo need Biafra. First of all, Nigeria is not a homogeneous country. No country survive in terms of infrastructure and healthcare system without being homogeneous. So
you don't need homogeneity. You don't need homogeneity. Southeast is homogeneous and they set Osu and Lilu on fire. That's so if it was about homogeneity, then the Southeast is homogeneous, even though it's not its own nation or anything. But it didn't prevent what happened in Osu, didn't prevent what happened in Lilu. It did not prevent Biafra agitators from buying Igbo people in the name of Biafra. So homogeneity isn't, because Nigeria is not the only heterogeneous country in Africa. Like most of them were amalgamated and they're not homogeneous. Ghana is not homogeneous. So it's not homogeneous, is it?
Can you tell me one of the Western...
Is Ghana homogeneous? Is Ghana homogeneous?
Ghana might not be a homogeneous.
It's not. It might not be. It is not.
Okay. Let me agree on what you said. Ghana is not homogeneous.
Okay.
So what was the difference between a black man living like a white man?
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Good question.
What does that mean? What do you mean?
I'm going to answer the question. I'm going to answer the question. If you travel to England now, there is light. There is healthcare system. There is social benefits.
If you move into the UK illegally. Okay.
Illegally, yes.
If you move into the UK illegally, yes. Do you get those things?
No, but now let's assume now you have all your state, or you are an American citizen. You
don't
enjoy
assume I am. Okay.
Oh, good. You enjoy. Did you enjoy all the benefits?
I enjoy the benefits that my taxes pay for, and I pay a lot of taxes.
How come an African man cannot enjoy that same benefit?
Okay, so I thank you for your question. Okay, so the question of the room is why we need Biafra. So I'm guessing you want the answer to this because you want to say that if we had Biafra and it was homogeneous, we'll be able to have healthcare and medical care. So let me answer you the question. Nigeria should have all those benefits. In fact, all African countries should have a lot of the benefits that people who live in a lot of Western societies, especially social systems that insulate when people are poor, when people can't feed, when they pay into a tax system. But those things don't exist, but they are not specific to Igbo people. It is not targeted to Igbo people alone. It is a Black deficiency or something that deficient in our system. It's a systemic deficiency. It is not culture specific and it is not tribe specific. So you said something about Onishoji, Black person living as a white person.
I beg to differ that it's a Black problem because no.
I mean, in our context, I don't want to include other most African countries are Black societies, so we need to keep it to Africa.
I wanted to even speak on Nigeria itself. Nigeria, Awolowo them, the Nnamdi Azikiwe them, the Michael Okpara them. Those were Black people. Those were Black men that we should have emulated. Yeah, so it's not a Black thing. It's a human thing.
But it is a Black thing. This is the why. We mentioned the Awolowos and all that stuff.
I don't agree. It's a Black thing.
But the time that the Awolowers, and I think we make this sort of convenient thing. The Awolowers, they were brilliant. The people who you reference, like the Azikiwes and stuff, were brilliant for their time. But a lot of the things that they were doing when before independence. And then after independence, we have people like this Amon Bakwe from where I am from, who did a whole bunch of things. But let's be honest, even with all the things, the great things that they did, it still did not get us to at least 50 years ahead of what the West was. So that's why I can say it's a black problem. I'm saying it's a black problem, not so that we can even have the conversation. I'm saying it's a black problem in the sense there's no African country that is led by a black man that has had consistent anything for the past 10 years. Of course, we can go off point and start talking about how the colonies and they still functional colonies, but I don't want to distract from this.
I still disagree just because you put it out. Chioma, I still disagree.
But we don't want to go too far from where he's talking about. He said Onyo Shoji and Onyocha. So let's
I just want to push back on that. I agree with you, Chioma, but
you're right. I mean, you and I are here. We are black.
Chioma, hear me out. It hurts me that I'm a black man, obviously. If anybody says that it's a black problem, I'm always going to push back. I don't care who, it's just what it is. Ethiopia is a country that is rising right now. I've mentioned these leaders, Awolowo, I've mentioned Michael Okpara, I've mentioned, Nnamdi Azikiwe. These are black men that could have taken our country to a whole nother level. But another black man, obviously, like Ojukwu, they pushed us away from the progress that we were gaining. So if we
so then who do we blame for that? The black is still us. That's what I'm saying.
It's a human thing. It's a human thing.
But in the okay. For the sake, let me do fair enough. Okay, it's a human thing. So let me. Yeah, I mean, we can have this conversation
absolutely.
So that we don't bore Amazing with our brilliance. So in the context of what you're saying, these are amenities, these are social amenities, these are systemic things that most African societies, most African countries, as they currently are, don't have. In fact, one of the reasons why South Africa is the way that it is right now, we know why, but I'm not going to piss off Kachi today. So now, if we are saying in Nigeria that we don't have those things, it is not happening to just you. People in Kogi State do not have those things. People in Kano do not have those things. So if the reason why you're saying that we're not homogenous and stuff, Southeast is homogenous. Right now, there's nobody that is preventing you from doing the parts that are within your power to do as a state, as a region. There is no powers that be. The only limitation is another black man who is either your governor of your state, from your community, chef. It might even be from your state. He is your governor. He can't put certain amenities, even the ones within his power that are not federal level. So from there, how do we now jump to we need Biafra? Do we need Biafra because those systemic things that are lacking across all of Africa, in most cases, or across all of Nigeria, in our case, is that unique to us that we must then use Biafra as a reason why we need to just break Nigeria? Like I've answered you, but I'm also then asking you so we can continue the conversation, Mr. Amazing.
So listen, I want to live like someone in America. I want to live like someone in United Kingdom.
Okay, so and you should.
2 seconds. Now you're now limiting it to governor is equivalent to maybe what do they call it in England?
Governor is equivalent to governor. It's not equivalent to anything. It's equivalent to governor even in America.
There is no governor in England. What they have in England is like a mayor.
That's irrelevant to the point. I'm using America, so I said we have governors in America. So it's governor you are the chief executive officer of the states. Finish.
You can't compare Nigeria with America because
nobody is comparing that. You started the comparison.
Hold on.
You stay on topic, guy.
Listen, if you're talking, I don't interrupt you.
I'm interrupting you because I host the room, Mr. Amazing. I will interrupt you because I host the room. Me and Kachi can interrupt you because that's how we are running the room. You said the British. I said use America since we're already on that paired stuff. And I said governor is the same here. Governor is the same. Why does it need to be the UK? Is the UK the source of truth? Go to your next point.
Okay, now you do mention about governor in Nigeria. There are they have the right to set up the social amenities that we need in Nigeria, right? But let me tell you this, the governor in Nigeria talking about they have the limitation is there.
What is the limitation that is preventing your state governor from putting certain amenities in place? Give me that limitation. Don't tell me. Tell me specifically from your state. You are from either Abia or Imo. Where Abia State OT is also Kachi's governor. What can certain things?
No, but in Nigeria now, governor they are not allowed to build federal roads, are they?
So federal road is why we want Biafra.
No, I'm trying to give
That
you
is not correct,
one or two.
That
We're
is not
talking
correct.
social amenities. Have to go to the road first. Wait,
That is not
you're
correct.
saying that your state governor is not building road or whatever. The road. Okay, Mr. We're talking about social amenities. Road is part of that, right? So good road network.
And
Your
again,
Abia State
at the
governor,
end of
is
the-
he
at the
building
end
road?
of the day-
Kachi, are you people building road in your states, please?
Alex Oti, they build road now. In the
Oh,
Port Harcourt
okay.
road, now federal road, they don't build them. So that is not correct. I don't know.
Okay.
See, when you have
I
misinformation,
I'm shaking.
yeah, when you
It's
have
somehow
misinformation,
correct, but he will still. I think he might receive.
Is
the
it
money back.
somehow
But that's
correct
not-
or is it
okay.
correct? Don't say it's somehow correct. Is he correct or not?
He is why do I say he's somehow correct? He will receive the money from federal government.
Mr. Amazing, let's get back to the topic.
Right.
You said,
Yeah.
Ndigbo, we need Biafra. And you've said
Yes.
that if you live like people in America, if that will be wrong. I don't know. That's where we started,
Yeah,
chatting.
exactly. And also have a question for Chioma.
Is the question on this topic or is it just a random question?
Yeah, you just have questions and questions. The question
Anụrụ m ihe i kwuru, ị ghọtara? Agụla m ihe m ji chọọ Biafra.
Ask me the question.
Mr. Chimobi,
No, now you try to
before you
educate
ask that
us
question,
now,
1
Chima.
second. Before you answer that question, you said the first thing you mentioned was homogeneity. That we need homogeneity for us to progress. Chioma has
Yes.
debunked that. We don't need homogeneity. We don't need
Listen,
homogeneity to be successful.
We do actually. No.
Okay.
So I'm entitled to my opinion.
Your opinion
Okay,
is
tell
false.
us
If your opinion
how
is false, it's
we
false.
need homogeneity like that and how we don't have it, because Southeast is the most homogeneous region in Nigeria.
No. Southeast is not a country. We're talking about
America
Nigeria
is not
as a country.
homogeneous. The UK is not homogeneous. The only homogeneous country I can think of is China.
America. Let me tell you why America is homogeneous. America is a Christian country.
All right.
Nigeria.
Well, all right. Thank you, Mr.
So-
Amazing.
so
For
let me-
I think you don't have a lot of
Kachi,
facts correctly. And
Kachi,
you just
happy
dispute
for
not-
1 second.
All
Happy
right,
for 1 second.
Go ahead, Choma. Yeah.
Mr. Amazing, the great thing about debates is that at some point we started this conversation. You said you brought up homogeneity, like you brought up how Nigeria is not homogeneous, so that makes it maybe not a nation. So I gave you the example of the Southeast as an example of the fact that you're already homogeneous in a way where, if, for example, the Southeast, the 5 Southeast governors wanted to put hands together and do something, just like the Yoruba governors, the Southwest governors, they have a fund where they, gather money from the 5 states, regardless of who is the governor, and they are using it to buy stocks in banks. Nobody, they cannot do it. That's how my brother Kachi, they always say, is always the evidence is always in the outcome.
Yeah.
Okay. So in Nigeria that we are, yes, we know that the Southeast is not a country by itself, but because it is governed as states, and those states have 5 tribes inside of it. But Southeast is the only one where we say almost every person that is original to that land or indigenous to that land is Igbo. So I am one of the first parameters that we will need to say, because I come on a type of something. I got I know my as yeah. So if homogeneity, being homogeneous is part of the requirements that makes Nigeria not be that thing. Kachi is now saying these other countries, I even brought in Ghana, because me, I know they want to go America, because before when I go say that, because say I be American, I always bring them up. I say, make we settle for Ghana, will be our neighbor here, where they have different tribes. They're not homogeneous. Yet, what you guys confuse for homogeneity, you're trying to find what makes a nation. So that's why I say sometimes, Bingos, you should allow me to make your point for you, because I can even make your point better so that you can do what you're trying to prove, and you're having a hard time to prove it because Kano does not explain it well to you guys, is every American child, when we go to school and you sing the national anthem, and there's always the thing of God bless America. It can decide to bless anywhere else, so if you want to, but to go bless America first, right? There's an America first type of thing. That America first is not just because we love apple pie or because we love football or basketball. It has something else. What is that thing? Do you know what that thing is?
No, I don't.
It is the belief in the American dream. That is what ties the immigrant who is coming and just watching on TV and it comes in. That is what's also tying. That's why even when you're doing politics, you're saying, let's go back to the era of the Americanness. So if your argument was that there's nothing that feels Nigerian to you that is not maybe soccer, jollof rice, all those other things, that's where you should start your conversation, not about homogeneity. The thing that you're confusing in America is not, because America is not a homogeneous nation. It is a Christian nation in the sense whereby you have Christians and you have in God we trust in the back of the dollar. But America does not function like one. It functions like a capitalist society that allows for immigrants to come here and become millionaires if they believe in the American dream. What is that American dream? You wake up in the morning, you go out and work. When Uncle Sam will ask you for the tax, you will pay it. That American dream it is the social contract that both of us have. That if you now pay into that somehow the road will be built. That's the stuff that you're trying to explain and you're having a hard time to explain it. And I even considered early enough and said, sure, you as a Nigerian, me as a Nigerian, anybody as a Nigerian should be feeling even the basics of those things. But those basics, the governors of your states can even start. Make it come be like say you don't hook them. They don't fit do above. This one is now the federal that's supposed to do one. The ones that is even in their purview that they can do, they did not do. So what we had was systemic rot from not doing. We had systemic rot from the top. We also had it even at the level where the people in your local government area are probably not even benefiting from the allocations that are being sent every single month for your local government chairman to be able to do small things. Make everything local pack for federal. So that is a systemic flaw, and it is not specific to the Igbo people.
All right.
Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. That was easy. Next person.
All right. Thank you. I don't know what he was trying to say in the end, but I don't know if it's a compliment or whatever it was, but I had to drop you.
No, I will take it as a compliment.
Okay, I know he had the he has wine.
You know, I they get akuna. This one is same one. Your make a collect
Before you go collect them back, have you?
You gotta collect them back because.
All right.